Starting on the tone in less than 5. Hold shot UE FPV 2.85.
I'm LAC Nelson White. I got into Air Force drone racing in 2022, and today we're racing at the Avalon Airshow for the next 6 days as well, and competing against each other in our services and against some civilians later as well.
Down. Yeah. Big smile.
So I fly a 5-inch racing drone, spec'd for this event here, and we fly FPV, which is first-person view. First-person view flying, you fly from the perspective of a camera with the video feed transmitted back to you in real time, and you wear FPV goggles on your head and fly as if you are sitting on the drone.